गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। कैसे हैं आप लोग? आशा करती हूँ आप लोग स्वस्थ होंगे। एसएसटी का हम सेकेंड चैप्टर पढ़ रहे थे, उसकी रीडिंग लगा रहे थे। जहाँ पे हमने नंबरिंग मेरिडियंस यहाँ तक बुक की रीडिंग लगाई थी पिछले वीडियो में। अब इसके आगे से हम चैप्टर की रीडिंग लगाएंगे। चलिए आप लोग रेडी हो जाइए। आप लोग रेडी हैं ना? चलिए यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं। अपनी बुक ओपन कर लीजिए आप लोग और मेरे साथ साथ बुक को रीड करेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ग्रीनविच मेरिडियन, इट डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इन टू हाल्व्स फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. Eastern hemisphere, the part of the earth to the east of the prime meridian to 180 degree. Longitude is called the eastern hemisphere. Western hemisphere, the part of the earth to the west of the prime meridian to 180 degree. Longitude is called the western hemisphere. Do you know the Greenwich meridian separates east from west? The Greenwich meridian was chosen as the prime meridian of the world in 1884. There are 360 meridians, 180 to the east of prime meridian and 180 to the west. Of prime meridian. The meridians in the eastern hemisphere are marked as E and meridians in the western hemisphere are marked as W. The meridian of 180 degree E and meridian of 180 degree W are in the same line. Longitude describes how far east or west a place is located from the prime meridian. Do you know there is a place on the earth with no latitude and longitude? It is the point where the prime meridian 0 degree longitude meets the equator 0 degree latitude. It is a point in the Atlantic Ocean of the west coast of Africa. Look at the map for 0 degree north south and 0 degree east west, where the prime meridian and the equator meet. Features of the meridians. Unlike latitudes, all meridians are of the same length. The distance between two meridians is greatest at the equator. As we move away from the equator towards the pole, the distance between the meridians gradually decreases. Meridians cut the latitudes at right angles. Do you know international date lines set on 180 degree line of longitude in the middle of Pacific Ocean? It is an imaginary line that separates two consecutive calendar days. If we travel east Across international date line, the date is 1 day ahead of the day in the Western Hemisphere. Locating places, the lines of latitudes and longitudes crisscross and form a network of lines on the globe and map. This is called a grid. If we know the latitude and longitude, we can find any place we want of the map or a globe. The intersection of latitude and longitude lines, i.e., the place where they meet, is called coordinates. It helps in identifying the exact location of the place. Do you know sailors used an astrolabe to find their latitude based on the height of the sun or the north star? स्टूडेंट्स, ये चैप्टर आपका एंड होता है। इस चैप्टर की हमने रीडिंग लगा ली है। अब इसके आगे से इस चैप्टर को हम एक्सप्लेन से बुक को रीड करेंगे विथ एक्सप्लेनेशन। थैंक यू।